Okay, to install Tor Browser in Linux Mint 21, go to torproject.org, click Download Tor Browser, then click Download for Linux. Then choose a folder and save the file. Then go to the folder. Open a terminal. Now copy the name of the file you downloaded. Go back to the terminal and type tar -xv capital J F and the name of the file. Okay, go to the folder that was extracted and double-click Tor Browser Setup. Then check Always Connect Automatically. And then click Connect. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.